Hey, what's up everyone? We're out here at the Amberley community in Sevenoaks. We're gonna take a tour of this home that is move-in ready so you can get an idea what they offer here under John Balfanz Homes. So let's take a tour. All right, so this one here is the Residence 4. It's a prairie floor, elevation. It is 2402 square feet. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it is located in Sevenoaks at Amberley. Has a 3-car garage, and it is located in the southwest of Bakersfield. So you have the Buena Vista School District and all the elite schools here in town. So, all right, let's go in. So you walk in here. This would be your foyer, so you got your foyer to the living room. Off to this side here, you have I would consider this like a family room. There's a lot of possibilities here. You can probably make it a media room, a study, a nice office. Then you have a powder room off of here. So if you have parties, instead of having them use any of the rooms or the bathrooms off of your bedrooms, they could just simply just use that bathroom there because it doesn't have a shower. And then this is your living room. Has the quartz countertops, undermount sink, black hardware throughout. I really love that modern look here. And the appliances are Whirlpool, so those are included except for the fridge. And the fridge will go right there. Then you have this good sized pantry here. Got the shaker style cabinets here. Formal dining room off the kitchen over here. And what's great about this, it has this covered patio incorporated in the back, so that's really nice. So it keeps the shade off there, so you have the natural light coming in, but then you have that overhang to create that shade. So to kind of recap where we're at, so that would be the entrance, that would be that little family room, and then this would be the living room. And it has vinyl planking throughout. It's like a gray, it has a little bit of a tan in there. Then we're gonna go this way here. This would be the garage. Then you have like a little mud area here. Put your shoes, maybe put some coat racks there. You have laundry room. It has these nice uppers. And then there's a bedroom here off the front. And then another bedroom here off the side. And what's cool is it has all these cinder block walls around your house, so it definitely deadens the sound. And what's cool about this bedroom here, you got this nice walk-in closet. And then more storage, like a linen storage here. And double vanity sinks, very clean looking, very modern colors, very modern feel, quartz, undermount sinks, nice. So this side of the house, so it's a split wing. This is a generous sized room too, and it has a walk-in closet. So this side of the house has basically 3 bedrooms, so split wing. And this home here is offered at $610,220. It's 2402 square feet, and the elevation is prairie. The builder is John Balfanz. All right, so if you're liking this so far, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Right now we're going to talk about, or we're actually going to go into the primary bedroom. But if you ever have questions about new construction or anything in Bakersfield, give me a call. I'm always here to assist. My main objective of my channel is really to educate people on Bakersfield so that when they move here, they get an idea exactly what they're getting themselves into. Since I made that move 30 years ago, and I was terrified. I really did not want to make that move. But after studying neighborhoods and realizing where I wanted to go and so forth, I was able to make that move, and I've been happy. My kids have grown up and done a great job in school, and definitely a great job in their education. So, all right, let's get started on the primary bedroom. So to kind of recap, so you have your entrance here, you have that den or family room over there, 3 bedrooms over there, entrance to the garage, and then the living room, kitchen. Now we're going to go to the primary bedroom. So you walk in, very nice entrance. You got 2 vanities. Both of them have undermount sinks. You got this nice modern tile. Again, the vinyl planking is throughout. Another cabinet area here. Toilet. Love that window. Very helpful when you have problems in there. And then a great size closet with the shoe rack here. That's cool. A little nook here. You can do shelves or maybe a gun rack there. And a good size primary room. So what's cool is they got the 2 plugs here, so you put your bed there, and then they have the mounting already set up to where you can have a nice big screen TV there without having the cords come up. So again, this home is available for $610, and it's got the center block walls throughout, so that's really nice as well. All right, hopefully you guys like this tour. If you have questions or if you need any help with new construction or anything in resale and you're moving to Bakersfield, give me a call. Love to help you out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn stuff that happens daily in Bakersfield, also look at my skate agent platforms on Facebook or Instagram. Otherwise, on to the next home.